With the Teleskid, we can reach out and we can auger holes behind curb lines, behind sidewalk, and we don't have to worry about damaging either tires or concrete or anything like that. The same thing with jackhammering. We can reach down in a hole and jackhammer with it. It's something we could never do before. There's a lot of applications we can use it on. Reaching across trailers to pick up equipment from the other side of the trailer. If it's in somewhere you can't get to the other side of the trailer, we could never do that before.
Since we've purchased our JCBs and we've showed up on construction sites, and the other contractors that we've been working with for years are like, whoa, what are those? And at first they're pretty skeptical. Once they watch what we do with them, they think they're pretty impressive as far as being able to dump behind their curb without having to drive on it, because our other competitors don't have that capability. So they're used to people driving over their new curb and sidewalk and risking breaking it. And now we don't have to do that. So
we have 4 Teleskids. We have 2 crews, so each crew has 2 Teleskids. They just go everywhere we go. We don't leave them behind. They always go with us, whether it's on a big trailer or a small trailer. The difference that I've noticed, the Teleskid versus the old machines we use, safety would be a big thing. Being able to get in and out of the door on the side and not having to climb over a bucket or under an attachment or something like that is something big.
The safety features are the huge thing. Not having to climb out underneath a raised set of pallet forks, that's a big deal. The rest of it, you can learn how to run any kind of equipment, but for us the safety was a big thing.
We had questions when we got these, wondering if they were going to be able to lift like the old ones. The Teleskids, we were kind of concerned, but they seem to be lifting everything that we lifted before.
With our JCBs, we can now unload poles and rebar and stuff that are too high to normally reach, and we can use the Teleskid to get our material out of the back of our dump truck that we couldn't reach before. And with the JCB, we also can auger behind guardrail with the Teleskid that we couldn't do before.
From my point of view, the Teleskid, there's so many options. We have guys that are used to the old H pattern. We have guys that are used to the ISO pattern. So being able to function between both of those at the flip of a button is very handy to have.
One of the features for us was the JCBs are manufactured in Savannah, Georgia, and to us that was a big thing too. We want to support the USA, as well as the world, but it was a big selling feature that they were manufactured in Savannah. So I think the JCB Teleskids are the way of the future. They're the Swiss Army knife of the construction industry. With the JCB Teleskid, you can use them with anybody's attachments, and you can reach higher than with an average skid steer and dig below your tires that other skid steers don't do.
If it's monsooning out, we're out there in it. If it's snowing, we're out there in it. It's just more comfortable. There's more functions. It's easy to operate. Anybody can operate it. I believe Teleskid is the future.